so we are, sending our prayers, our good juju, and all of our love to the people of Ukraine and Russia tonight and spreading the message of world peace.
This is our fate. I'm yours.
Music spinning around so smooth it pours the sword, but it's not a warrior. I am the warrior. I am the chief. I never turn and run when darkness comes for me.
So if you are traveling with your pet to Varkala, then I would suggest please don't do any bookings through these websites. We found this lovely family cottage where our pet seems very happy, and I'll just give you a little tour of that. That's the name. It's called Varkala Days Family Cottage. And look at this. We got car parking. There's a gate, so your pet doesn't run out. And that's the cottage. He looks happy. This is a very offbeat destination, and we decided to stop over while we were on our way back to Goa. We just thought, why not stop at Varkala and check it out? And I think we're really liking this place. And let's see. Let me show you around a little bit.
The Varkala Cliff was hardly a 2-minute walk from our cottage. The cliff was full of different restaurants with ample options of fresh seafood. The Varkala beach was overlooked from the cliff and was crystal clean with no restaurants allowed on the beach. We found ourselves the perfect spot to watch the sunset. I got to know about a music gig being organized by some Ukrainian nationals against the invasion of their country.
No, I won't hesitate no more. This is our fate. I'm yours to lead to our king. Our time is yours. This is our fate. I'm yours to do.
And these musicians stole the night away.
Warrior, I will always rise. Hey, hey, yeah, hey, yeah, hey, hey, yeah, hey, yeah,
The next day was a visit to a 2,000-year-old temple called the Janardhan Swamy Temple. If you are an admirer of ancient architecture and sculptures, then the present wall of the temple date back to the 12th century. A not so touristy activity in Varkala. In our next episode, we will be visiting an elephant training center in a small town named Kaladi in Kerala.